For optimal conditions and safety for your centrifuges, we recommend maintenance on a regular basis. To start with your maintenance program, please turn off the centrifuge first and remove the centrifuge rotor. Then clean centrifuge housing, rotor chamber and centrifuge equipment with neutral detergents. In particular, if salt incrustations or contamination with other aggressive chemicals are detected, any residue should be wiped off to extend the life of your device. Do so with the centrifuge rotors as well, to completely remove salt and chemicals which may support the formation of corrosion. For cleaning rotor bores, stiff test tube brushes with end bristles and non-metallic tips are best. Rinse the rotor with water afterwards, but avoid dipping it into water completely. After rotors and your centrifuge equipment have been rinsed with water, 70% isopropanol or other diluted alcohol-based disinfection solutions can be used for disinfection. To lubricate bucket grooves, pivots, rubber seals and threads, place a small amount of centrifuge lubricant onto your finger. Finally, inspect your rotor closely for small cracks or corrosion. If there is any rotor damage, we recommend replacing the rotor immediately. If you are not sure about the safety of your equipment, please contact your regional Eppendorf service technician for professional inspection services. Long-term exposure to aggressive chemicals can lead to corrosion on rotors and buckets, which may damage your rotor in a way that makes centrifugation unsafe. Eppendorf rotor assurance plans offer professional inspection and evaluation services for Eppendorf rotors. Our certified and specially trained service technicians use highly sophisticated borescope equipment for inspections. Preventive maintenance and certification services for customers are available for the highest demands with regard to lab safety to ensure a professional inspection. Further information can be found in the Maintenance of Centrifuges poster in White Paper number 14, Routine Maintenance of Centrifuges, and in the operating manuals for Eppendorf centrifuges.